Hello, Eden Prairie Schools families. We are so looking forward to celebrating your graduates at our graduation ceremony this spring. This video is intended to walk you through the process for reserving your tickets for our graduation ceremony. So, for this ceremony, there are no printed paper tickets. It's all completely digital. So, your phone will be your ticket into this event. And here is how to go through the reservation process. When you come to GoFan, you will see we have the event page all set up for you with the date, time, and location of the ceremony. And all of the event details will be displayed here on this page. And each graduate receives a set amount of tickets with the ability to request further tickets. So please, if you'd like to request more tickets, by the deadline, please use the form that was sent to you in the email to request those additional tickets. So the event details walks through that piece, and you will need your student's student ID number to be your access code for this event, the code you need to put in to reserve those tickets. You can find your student's student ID number in the parent portal, which is linked right here. So please be sure to take a moment to read through the information that's on this page, including the venue policies. Those are very important. And every person that goes through the process of reserving tickets to our ceremony is agreeing to the code of conduct for the ceremony on behalf of not only themselves, but also on behalf of every person attending in their group. So please be sure to read that code of conduct very closely. It is closely enforced at the ceremony. So here is how to go through the reservation process. Again, as I shared, our access code here is your student's student ID number. So all you need to do is set your student's ID number here and then click apply. Then it will show you that you can choose how many tickets you want to reserve. So this section will let you reserve up to the number of tickets that is available for your graduate. So for example, our set number right now is 8. And I have already reserved 2 tickets for this graduate. So when I try to reserve, it will only allow me to reserve up to 6 tickets because those other 2 have already been reserved. So you can choose however many tickets you want to reserve here. You could reserve all of them if you'd like to. You can reserve half now and have another household where your student is living reserve the other half if you would like to do that. Or maybe send it to an aunt and an uncle or a grandma and grandpa to reserve a few for themselves. However, it works best for your family. So once you have the number here that you would like that's been unlocked with your student's student ID, which is your access code, you can add those to your cart. Now your next step here is to add the information. So by clicking on this button that says add information, these fields are required. And the first one is that by checking this box, you are acknowledging that you are agreeing to abide by the code of conduct and you are acknowledging that you are doing that on behalf of not only yourself, but all the guests in your group. And then we have 3 questions here about interpretation. If any member of your group would like American Sign Language interpretation, would like interpretation into Spanish, or would like interpretation into Somali. And you can go through for each of the tickets that you've chosen and answer those 3 questions, or if that is the same information for each of the people that will be attending in your group, you can click on Apply Information to All Tickets. And as long as you see this green check mark here on the right-hand side of your screen, you are all set. Your next step is to check out as a guest here, or you could sign in if you would like to. But here as a guest, you can enter your email address to tell the system where it should send your order. When you're all ready, click continue. And they are sending your order to communications@edenpr.org, for example, in my case, or whatever email address you might have put in there. Now, this is very important. Remember to click checkout. You would think you would be done by just pressing those buttons so far, but you do need to take that next step of pressing checkout. And once you have done that, you're going to see your order confirmation screen. And here you can view your 6 tickets. So, or however many you reserved. So they pull up here, and if you would like, let's say that you've got, I had mentioned aunt and uncle, maybe an aunt and uncle are coming in from out of town. You can choose on this screen to transfer those tickets so that you don't need to have all of them on your device and everyone needs to be with you. You can actually send them off if you'd like to. You can choose how many you'd like to transfer and then do it however you'd like to. You can send it via email or you could send somebody a transfer link. And then when you do that, it will go directly to them and they will be able to access those tickets on their own devices instead. And when you receive the confirmation email, you will also see that in your own email to open up and see those tickets. So let's pull that up for just a minute here. I'll switch over. So this is what you're going to see, your confirmation order details that comes through in your email. So it looks just like this. The subject line is your tickets for the Eden Prairie Schools graduation ceremony. So you can come back to this email at any time, access and view your purchase directly from this email. All you'll need to do on graduation day is to click on view tickets. It will open up and then you are all set for our graduation ceremony. And as you come in the door, then you can press that scan or use button so that we can admit you. We're very much looking forward to celebrating your graduates. Congratulations, and we will see you soon.